Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining us on this very cold Wednesday. Check out some of the current temperatures across the state right now. 41 below in Jordan. Oof, that's really cold. How are you doing this morning if you're living in Jordan? I hope you're inside and keeping warm. We're at 22 below in Great Falls. By the way, we set a new daily record low in Great Falls. It was previously 19. We were as low as 29 below zero. Luckily in Helena, we did not get that cold. We're at 0 degrees right now. We did not get into the negatives, at least just yet. We did have a little bit more cloud cover overnight, preventing us from getting as cold as a lot of the plains with wind chills. Glasgow's unbearably cold right now. We're at 53 below zero. Same with Baker down in southeast Montana. Here's the temperature forecast for Helena. Unfortunately, today we're not going to get that warm. We'll be up into the teens later this afternoon, but some relief is on the way beginning tonight and into tomorrow as winds will pick up off the Rocky Mountain front for Great Falls. It may not look like we're going to get warmer with this, so we're only going to be in the single digits by the afternoon, but wind will increase tonight and into tomorrow, and we'll be up into the 30s for that area. So cold weather alerts still into effect for much of our viewing area here for about noontime, where wind chills can be down to a 60 below in any of this dark blue area. That does include Great Falls. Here's Helena this morning. We're at 0 degrees right now. Cloudy conditions. We'll start to see less cloud cover, maybe a little bit of hints of sun as it starts to rise here, but cloud cover will move swiftly back in later tonight. Great Falls, it's not snowing right now. 22 below. There might just be a little bit of crystallization in the air due to just how cold it really is out there. We could also be looking at a little bit of fog around the area this morning, freezing fog in fact. Here's a national radar. Our snow system that gave us snow the past few days is out of here, and look at that, the southeast getting some snow this morning. But back into our state, we are dry right now, but we'll get a little bit more snow as we go into this afternoon. Increasing cloud cover throughout the day, and then by about 6:30, that's when the first hints of snow start to pop up around Helena. A little bit later for Great Falls, mostly south of town here. A lot of this moisture is going to stay west of the divide, west of the mountains here. However, Helena could be looking at another inch or so of snow around town, maybe a few inches up into the higher terrain. But that's mainly it. This system's out of here pretty quickly by tomorrow morning. Just some snow showers remaining along I-90. Bozeman Pass going to be difficult to travel through tomorrow morning. Isolated snow showers into the late morning and early afternoon hours into southern Montana, mainly into the mountains. And then by tomorrow afternoon and evening, we are dry, decreasing cloud cover, and increasing temperatures. But in terms of snowfall to come, again, most lower elevations, likely around an inch or so. Winter weather alerts are in place west of the Continental Divide for a little bit of snow, up to 6 inches of snow into the higher terrain, but a blizzard warning in effect for the northern Rocky Mountain front, and that's not for really new snow. It's going to be for snow already on the ground, as we could see some blowing snow, drifting snow, and that will reduce visibility as well. Ground blizzard conditions. So timing out the wind for you, tomorrow is when it's going to pick up, and it's going to stay strong throughout the day. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So here's the next 7 days for Helena. We'll continue to get warmer by each day, and then the weekend looking pretty nice. We'll be into the 40s, although windy. It's going to be windy for much of the state into the weekend and into next week.